Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send YouTube video details to Facebook page and Facebook group. So let's say that every time a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, then automatically the details of that video like the caption, description and the video URL should be posted as a message in my Facebook group as well as to be created as a page post in my Facebook page. Now to do this, we'll have to integrate YouTube with Facebook, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger will be YouTube, then my action applications will be Facebook group and Facebook pages. Now to understand how you can integrate and automate this entire process yourself without the need of any coding skills, let's begin. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user you will have to sign in, and if you are a new user you will have to sign up. So signing up is extremely easy, it takes 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation you are going to get 100 free tasks. Now here, since I'm an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. As we do that, here we have reached all apps page, and here I'm going to click on Pabbly Connect as we are doing this integration using this software. Now here we have reached a dashboard. On the right hand side there's a tab create workflow. Click on this. This dialog box has appeared, and here you have to name your workflow. You can give any random name. I'm going to name it as per my objective, which is to post YouTube video details to Facebook page and Facebook groups. Now here I'm going to click on create. And as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. Basically action here is the automated response of your trigger application. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So every time you make a payment, then you receive a notification through SMS about the amount debited. How does that happen? With the help of automation. Now in such a case, the trigger is the payment gateway, and your action application can be any SMS sending application. So once we have understood this, let's come to our use case. So here my trigger will be YouTube. Let's click on this. Next we have the trigger event. So this is the event that is going to make this workflow run, and here it will be new video in channel with video URL. I'm going to select this. Once done, here on the right hand side it is written that this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes, which means that our trigger application is polling based. So this workflow is going to run in every 10 minutes to fetch for new data. Now here I'm going to click on connect, and as we do that, here Pabbly Connect is requesting to connect with YouTube account. To do this, I have selected add new connection and now connect with YouTube. Now here we have to choose an account, so I have selected the account with which my YouTube channel is connected, and now Pabbly Connect Videos wants additional access to my Google account. This is absolutely secure. Here I have selected continue. Now once this is done, here you can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that YouTube and Pabbly Connect are connected. Now once this connection is all set, here we have the channel ID. So let me take you to my YouTube channel. So this here is my YouTube channel. You can see this here is the channel ID, and now here I'm going to upload a video. So I'm going to click on upload videos, select files. Let's go to downloads, and let's say this here is the video that I wish to upload. Now here we have to enter the details. So here I'm going to write integration and automation, and here in description I'm going to write this video is to exemplify how you can integrate Google Sheets with ChatGPT using Pabbly Connect. Next, as I take you down here, I'm going to ensure that it is applicable for everyone. Let's click on next, and now here we have to confirm the visibility. So here I have selected public, and now I'm going to click on publish. So as I do that, here we can see our video has been published. I'm going to close this, and once this is done, here you can see that our video is getting uploaded. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here as I click on save and send test request, so we are going to receive the response of the last video that was uploaded in my YouTube channel. And here we can see we have received the response. So this here is the video URL, then we have the embed URL. Now as I take you down, here we have received the title. This here is the description. So once we have received all these details, so I want the details of this video to be shared on my Facebook group. So here I'm going to choose my action application as Facebook group. Let's click on this. Next we have the action event, and here it is post message. I'm going to click on connect, and as we do that, here again Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Facebook group account. Since we are setting up this connection for the first time, here I have selected add new connection, connect with Facebook groups. So it is asking me to go ahead with the existing connection. So yes, I have selected as my existing connection that I had set, and we can see that the authorization has been successful. Now once this is done, here we have to select the name of the group. So let me take you to my Facebook group. So this is the name of the group, Pabbly Tech. So here I'm going to select the same group. This is the name. Now the message, here I'm going to write, team, a new video has been posted on Pabbly YouTube channel. Now the details. So here I have to enter the title. How am I going to do that? I had received my title in the above step, and you can see the same step here. Click on this. This here is the title. Now this method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping. Now mapping is important so that every time your workflow runs in real time, it can take the new response into consideration. Had I written this information manually, then it would have become static, which means it wouldn't have changed. So even when we had received some new response, it wouldn't have taken that into consideration. To avoid this problem, we map the information. So next, let's map the description. So here it is. And then we need the video URL. Here it is. Now, if you wish to add any additional link, you can always add the same here. I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here we can see we have received the response. According to this, now this message must be posted in my Facebook group. Let's go and check the same. So this here is Facebook group. The name is Pabbly Tech, and here as I click on refresh, so you can see that a new video has been posted on Pabbly YouTube channel. So this particular message has been added here in this group. Now what is my next objective? That I want the same message to go on my Facebook page. So here again I'm going to select Facebook page. Let's click on this, and the action event here will be to create page post. Here again I'm going to click on connect, and I'm going to go ahead with the existing connection. So now here we have to select the page. Now again let me take you to my Facebook account, and here I'm going to take you to various pages that I have created. These are the various pages. Let's say that I want to post this on Pabbly Tech. So here we have selected the page. Now if you wish to select some other page, then all you had to do was click here, and in the drop down you will see all the pages. Next, here we have to enter the message. So again I'm going to enter the same thing. Team, a new video has been posted on Pabbly YouTube channel. Then we have the details. Let's quickly map the title. So this here is the title. Then we need the description. Here we have the description and the video URL. So this here is the video URL. Regards. Now again the optional link URL can be attached here. Let's click on save and send test request. So as we do that, here we have received the response. Now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Tech page. So let's click on this, and let's see if this message has been posted here. And yes, here we can see that this particular message has been posted. So this means that our integration is a complete success. Now let's do one thing. Let's check the same in real time. So I'm going to take you back to YouTube, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another video. So here let's click on upload videos, select files. So let's say this here is the video. So I have selected the file, and now here I'm going to name it as test project, and here I'm going to write in description, which is test description. And now here I'm going to click on next, selected, click on next once again, and here I'm going to make this public and publish. So here we can see it is getting processed. I'm going to just click on close. Now we have to wait for 10 minutes so that the message about the newly uploaded video should be posted on our Facebook page and group. So let's wait for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, and now I'm going to first take you to my Facebook group, and here I'm going to quickly refresh this page. So once this is done, now as I scroll down, you can see that I have received another message. The title is test project and the description is test description. And now let's go to Pabbly Tech page, and here again I'm going to refresh this. And once this is done, as I take you down, here we have received the details. So this means our integration is a complete success, taking you back to Pabbly Connect. Let's quickly understand what we have done. So our trigger here was YouTube, where the event was new video in channel with video URL. Then our action application first was Facebook group, where the event was to post message, and then it was Facebook pages, where we had to create a page post. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start the process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.